Wait, we need to... Yeah, babe. Alright, we bought a van!
Hi, we're Destiny and Elizabeth, and at the beginning of this year, we started traveling the US by SUV camping in the back of our Hyundai Kona. We absolutely fell in love with this freeing lifestyle and decided to make it a permanent lifestyle for us. We just bought a van, and we have been searching for months and months and finally found our perfect van. Follow us along as we learn to build out into our own tiny home. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for a weekly video of our van building and eventually our van life.
Alright, today we are going to be installing some of this Havelock wool. You know, with Havelock wool because it is sustainable, it's good for the environment, it's cheap wool, and it's pretty good. Sheep, not cheap. Yeah, it's not cheap, that's for sure. It's sheep wool, and yeah, it helps control our temperature. So we're gonna put it all over
the house. Like inside the house.
We won't get itchy.
God, you know.
It'll just smell like a barn. So we've heard. And so my nose smells like a petting zoo. Does it?
Mm-hmm. Fuck yeah. No, you're really showing everything.
Oh, gross. Really? Mm-hmm. True. Okay, screw these scissors. We are insulating with Havelock wool. This is 1 inch, actually I have 2 in my hand, but 1 inch bats of sheep wool. So we're gonna go ahead and put it all over our van. It smells like a barn house.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters.
Hey babe, how's it going?
Great.
It's great to see how the different minds work. So this is Destiny's side. Looks beautiful. This one looks like a spider web. And then this is my side. Why are you laughing? You think yours is better? No, I just think they look different. It's just cool to see how different minds work. What you doing, babe? I tied the string onto the scissors to slip it through these, whatever these are called, and make it easier so we don't have to feed for the string. Very clever. And then I don't know where I'm going here. Nice. And then the holder. Keep it coming. Do you just keep going? Yeah, I'm just gonna fish back and forth. Okay. Gotta put it in all the spots. Fill it up, babe. Fill it up. So one of the videos, the guy said that the density should be like if you hold your hand like that, not too much. Destiny's using a screwdriver to get it all in the nooks and crannies and all the divots. so we don't cut our fingers on the metal. You gotta, where's your safety goggles?
Oh my god.
Yeah, they said be careful.
Things keep dropping out of it.
Mm-hmm. I can see it.
So gross.
I was watching a video and I saw a guy show this as a face going yum yum yum, and now I see it. His mouth is wide open. She's like yum 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 yum. Feed me. Guys, this is so exciting. So me and Destiny are doing the wool. We're putting it everywhere. It's crazy to see it like coming together. Like, I know it's a baby piece, but still. And then our friend is doing the floor, and I just want to show you a little sneak peek. It's not done, but it's so exciting. I'm excited that it's all going to be done. Wool installation in progress.
Ready?
Cheers or something.
You're using Havelock wool. These are 1 inch. They are itchy, just kidding. They are 1 inch. Why can't I speak?
I don't think they're 1 inch.
Yes, they are.